Welcome to RobinAI training video series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to create content from the marketing category. Go to left menu. Click on Robin. Now choose marketing from the category. Now choose the type of content you want to create. Provide all required details. Like the name of the product or service you have. The audience of the product or service. Language of your result. And your result will be generated. Now you can regenerate it. Or copy it. Or restart it again. Thanks for watching the video.